what's up? Today's video is going to be an unboxing. It's actually going to be an unboxing of the products that I use to do this twist out right here. So it's not like a fresh unboxing, but you know, I wanted to show y'all the packaging and just my experience opening them. So I just put them back in here how I got them. So this is the box. We'll show you the top, but it got my address on it. This unboxing, this package is from OLIE Oils or OLIE Oils. I don't really know how to pronounce it. So throughout this video and the tutorial for this twist out, which is coming soon, you'll hear me kind of referring to it back and forth. But this is what it looked like when I first got it, and it's just 2 products, but I like both of them. Just a little by the way sneak peek. So the first one was this berry curl conditioner. So this berry curl conditioner is a moisturizing conditioner for curl definition and hydration. Works great as a leave-in conditioner or deep conditioner. So you can use it as a leave-in or you can use it as a deep conditioner. I imagine this would be really good as a deep conditioner. Obviously I've used it as a leave-in, so I'm not going to tell you how that went. You just got to stay tuned to my channel. But ooh, this is what the product looks like. It smells good. The ingredients include organic aloe juice, shea butter, babasu seed oil, castor seed oil, honey, blueberry extract, cranberry extract, benzoic acid, sorry if I said that wrong, citric acid, panthenol. She told me this was fragrance free or unscented, but on the ingredients I see fragrance, so I don't really know about that, but it smells okay. It smells okay. It's nothing overbearing and it doesn't smell bad. So, you know, I liked it. The smell while I was applying it, and it's not a strong smell. I hate strong smells because it gives me headaches, and this wasn't that, but that is about this product and the ingredients. So the next product in the package was this Heal and Repair deep conditioner. So this is obviously a deep conditioner. It's for dry, brittle, overly porous hair and or hair that needs a little love. Conditioning hair from root to tip, leaving hair feeling soft and manageable. So this is 8 ounces. So the ingredients for this is unscented. This does not contain a fragrance. I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all what this smells like. That's what it looks like. And it smells like cinnamon. It actually kind of smells like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And as I go down the ingredients, I'm gonna like really show y'all where this smell came from. So it has organic aloe juice, peppermint leaf extract, yucca leaf extract, horsetail leaf extract, nettle leaf extract, melissa leaf extract, soybean oil, red palm oil, organic pumpkin seed oil, shea butter. It has hydrolyzed keratin, benzoic acid, citric acid, hydrolyzed wheat protein, vitamin B5, and these next ingredients is why I got this beautiful smell. Pumpkin extract, cinnamon, ginger root powder, nutmeg powder, and allspice powder. So those last dashes of ingredients got it smelling amazing. As you can tell by some of the ingredients, it has protein. Keratin is a hair protein that your hair needs, and then it also has wheat protein, which is why it's also called Heal and Repair, because it gives your hair protein. So if you have a lot of protein in your hair, if you've been using a lot of protein, I would just be careful, because there is a such thing as protein overload. And if you're protein sensitive, just be mindful of that if you are interested in these products. And I have like more info on everything in my actual tutorial for this, but I just wanted to tell y'all as I was unboxing as well. But that is it for this video. These are both of the products. I truly enjoyed both of those. I know this isn't a review, it's an unboxing, but I did want to say that I enjoy these products and I cannot wait to use them again. I don't know how I would use them again. I know obviously I would use this again. I don't know if I would try this for a wash and go. This would be good for protective style because it was very moisturizing as well and softening. But yeah, that's it for this video. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you're interested in OLIE oils. share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to check my description box for a link to the OLIE Oils website. It will be down below. But yeah, and again, I kind of ran over that quick. Subscribe. I'm at 400 subscribers as of right now recording, and I'm on the road to 500. So if you aren't subscribed, subscribe. Help me reach 500, and I'm going to see you in my next video.